Did you eat that garbage? Casey, did you get into the garbage? Were you a bad girl? Why are you hiding from me?